Getting the failed to authenticate error in Minecraft? Don't worry, here's a quick step-by-step fix. First, restart Minecraft. Close the Minecraft completely and relaunch it. Sometimes the launcher just needs a refresh. Make sure you're connected to a stable network, switch to Wi-Fi, or restart your router if needed. Open the launcher, log out of your Microsoft or Mojang account, then log back in to refresh authentication. Also, verify server status. Go to Mojang or Microsoft server status page to see if the servers are down. If they are, you'll need to wait. On PC, open command prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. This clears cached connections that may cause issues. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the Minecraft launcher for a clean setup. And that's how you fix the Minecraft failed to authenticate error. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.